First, secure your finances with an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Then create a detailed budget to identify consistent funds available for saving and investing. Open an account with a reputable brokerage firm offering low fees and an intuitive platform. Options like Roth IRA can provide significant tax benefits for your investments. Begin with diversified, low-cost options, such as broad market index funds or ETFs. These spread risk across many companies. Consistency is key, so invest a fixed amount regularly. Set up automatic transfers to ensure regular contributions. This set-it-and-forget-it approach builds wealth over time. Periodically review your portfolio, but resist making impulsive changes.